Hello. In this video, we're going to practice writing the equation of a parabola. And we're given a focus of 2, 5, and let me go ahead and draw that in here. Do a little bit better. And then a directrix of y equals 3. Well, on the y-axis, here's 3. Y equals 3 would be all the points on this horizontal line. Anytime we want to write the equation for a parabola, the best thing we can do is find the vertex. Now the vertex should be exactly halfway between the focus and the directrix. And so if I just draw this straight up and down line here so that it's perpendicular to the directrix and it goes through the focus as an endpoint there, the vertex should be on this line and exactly in the middle. So right here, my vertex for this parabola is at 2, 4. Now, let's use our formula for a parabola. So we know that y minus k equals 1 over 4p times x minus h quantity squared. And again, hk is the vertex. And if you already have this in your notes, you don't necessarily need to write it down again. And then p is distance from vertex to the focus. Okay, now our distance from the vertex to the focus is just 1 unit. So that means my p-value is 1. And we know h comma k is 2 4. So let's use that information and write our equation for the parabola. So we do y minus, my k value is 4, equals 1 over 4 times, and we know p was 1, and then times x minus, and h, my h value is 2, quantity squared. Well, over here we know 4 times 1 is 4, so I can rewrite this as y minus 4 equals 1/4 of the quantity x minus 2 quantity squared, and there's the equation for our parabola. Okay, so that was just your basic practice for the equation of a parabola. For now, we are done.